I am the unbeatable king. Come to clear the air. Post a video yesterday, more of a stunt or a prank, and gone viral. Then we move it off on my page still. Gone viral, and I don't know why people run with them things. It was just a prank. He's an artist, I go by the name of Just Cool. JHUSSKHOOL. Post my music every day. I'm a talented artist. I don't have to ask, so you can't ask that. God, I will represent me. But I don't see them run with them things like that, you see me? They not run with good music and them things again. I just work with them, move with them, you see me? So I don't know what go on. But anyhow, it happened, and it happened. Just I clear the air. It was from yesterday. It's no threat. It was a prank. There are so many Andrews in the world. I never put a last name to the Andrew. I just say Andrew. You understand? So it's not Andrew enough to take it personal. Nobody enough to take it personal. It was just a prank. And it went viral, so what? But respect to real people, them I always share my music. Big up them people there. I always share my music. Them day one they were just no talent, you understand? Big up to them people there. What on the spot media? Big up yourself, see me, isn't it? Now every blogger them do them work still, but I can promote some music more time, you know? Good music. Good music I do all type of music. All types, so you must can find something to listen. I understand. So that's it. Clear the air. It was a prank. Run with that.